This is the story of Howard Clayton and Autopsy Room 4. Howard was golfing one day when he hit his ball into the woods. The ball ended up killing a hunter. But as he was covering up the corpse, a snake attacked him. The snake's venom causes total paralysis of the body and a death-like appearance. The paramedics took him for dead and sent him to Autopsy Room 4. There, the carelessness of the doctors nearly cost him his life. Thankfully, a number of distractions saved him. These distractions included rave music, rusty, and faulty instruments. Luckily, Howard ended up waking up in time to save himself. This is the story of Autopsy Room 4.
I love this song! Hey, looks like our stiff friend here will enjoy this too.
Rusty, you are, oh my god, you are so immature!
What? I'm just trying to have a little fun. Can't I have some fun around here?
No, it's not funny. Go entertain someone else.
Fine, go play golf club or something. God.
Where am I? And why did that guy just play with my face? I can't move, but I can see. But still, why did that guy play with my face? I really don't know what's going on. How did I even get here? Wait, what was the last thing I did before I ended up here? No. That was last week. But why am I in the hospital again? Oh! I was golfing!
Sir, I'd recommend pitching wedge, sir.
You what? You want to recommend a pitching wedge? That's why they need a pitching wedge! Give me my driver!
Yes, sir. Right away, sir. Here you go. Here's your driver. Fine shot, sir. Fine shot. Sir, where are you going?
Get my balls. I'm not riding on this game.
It's the middle of November. It's freezing out. Why?
Shut up, that's why! Where's my ball? Now it's raining! Dang it! Where is he? fix this. We'll keep this between you and me. Oh my God! Oh! Oh! Oh!